My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Ford Focus ST line. This vehicle has done just under 57,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we can get quick access to valet mode, Apple and Android CarPlay, Ford Pass Connect, voice control, navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. This Focus also has 3 different driving modes to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.